Hi, I'm Yolmer from UAV Log. Welcome to this video tutorial. On this tutorial, I'll show you how to log a flight. Once you're done setting up your UAVs and batteries in the system, you're ready to use UAV Log for logging your drone flights. To do so, you hit the button Start a Flight at the top side of the screen. After that, you see the following screen where you can select the UAV you want to use for your flight and your battery you want to use. After you selected the correct configuration of your flight, you hit the button Go Flying. When you see this screen, you can start the actual drone flight. Once you're done flying your drone and landed safely, you have to tell UAV Log that you did so by clicking on the button Stop Flying. After that, the following screen will appear with a summary of your flight. For example, you see here the selected drone and battery you used for your flight, as well as a start date and start time, and landing date and landing time. But you also see here a field that's called Operator, where you can put in the name for example, a camera operator or a sensor operator. The field Pilot Location is a free field you can use to type in any place you like, for example Dokkum, a city in the northern part of the Netherlands. And you see that the starting location and landing location is similar to the pilot's location. Normally the recorded GPS location of your device is shown here, but for privacy reasons I just put in a 0. Normally the pilot's location is identical to the starting and landing location of the drone, but you can also split up those locations. For example, the pilot could be at another place, piloting the drone from a different starting location and landing it at another location. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's leave it as identical as is. If you want to be able to find this particular flight in your complete flight log, you can put in some descriptive remarks. When you're done reviewing and adding information of this particular flight, you can hit the button Save. After that, you see the following confirmation screen that your flight has been saved into the database of your flight log. From here you can directly go to your flight log, start a new flight, or go back to the begin screen of UAV Log. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and interesting, but if you still have questions about UAV Log, then don't hesitate to contact us via the website or on social media. Thanks for watching and until next time.